say no, and I go from here, I move this way. Or you can go like this and go.
Пробуйте толкать как бы
Yeah.
чуть-чуть вперед, меняя именно
Feel it.
своего партнера. То есть не в сторону, а именно чуть в него.
Yeah, try.
В сторону. Так что менять траекторию.
Я могу сейчас камеру говорить все, что угодно, но все равно не знает, что это.
You feel. Okay. Now he move here. He move.
Меняемся.
Now this side move. You watch. Watch first. You watch. 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 He move. Okay. Everybody watch. Look good. He move. But keep balance. He move. Okay.
То есть сопротивляемся.
You use here. Keep angle.
Пробуем держать определенный
Yeah.
угол
You keep the angle.
локтя и соответственно
You see, he look very stable, correct? He look very
выглядит
stable.
очень стабильно.
Okay, to me, he's not that stable.
Для меня он не
Until
стабильный.
he understands what stability is. See over here?
Пока он не поймет, что такое стабильность.
I'm moving very easily.
Я его подвинул очень легко.
Oh, you can sit right. You can sit right. It's
Ты
okay.
можешь чуть повыше.
Yeah. No. Left. It's okay. No.
Меня
Right. Tell me.
чуть-чуть
It's
повыше.
okay.
Повыше.
Say it. You open here. You open here. Like this. Make sure you keep this open. See now? You see now? You see? Okay, now you keep this closed.
Теперь закрой.
You see? So it's here. Here, man.
Шлем.
This is structure.
Ваша
It's not about this. It's about this and this. Understand?
связи в верхней части.
You just relax. Don't worry. Just a little. Yeah, he don't look stable, but he's very stable.
Он не выглядит
See, I can
стабильным.
move it. You see? Stable, right? Yeah, stable. But if you put this hand like this,
Если он опустит локоть, то он становится
easy.
нестабильным.
Understand now? This is Tai Chi.
Это стоит.
This half balance.
Баланс верхний.
If not balance, no good Tai Chi.
Если нет баланса, нет хорошего.
For example, this move.
Движение с отталкиванием.
This move. Same. If he go like this, so if you put your hand like this, if he go like this, you put in the front, you go like this, easy.
Если держать
Easy.
тело, то его не просто.
If you go like this,
Он чуть
it's
дальше
strong.
себя.
Don't worry. I cannot move it. See, I cannot move it. See?
У него не
I
получается.
cannot move it. Understand now? So stability is not how low you sit. It's not how low you sit.
Стабильность это не значит, как
It's how you
сильно
match here
сели.
and match here.
Это соответствие верхней и нижней части.
Yin and yang. Understand?
И не янь.
Yeah. Let's go. Finish.
Если не без баланса,
You have to balance
уже вы
all the time.
закончили. Конец.
Okay, when you're balanced, you become strong.
Если у вас есть баланс, вы сильны.
Yeah. If you're not balanced, you won't become strong. Okay, the next move. From here to here. From here.
Движение
To here.
с отведением.
Okay. No, just this. Just this. This way.
Отведение правой руки.
Okay, from here. Okay? You cannot move me. Cannot move me. Okay. How he's gonna move me?
Как
Very easy.
должен меня
Because he
двинуть?
use here. Use here.
Он использовать должен
Still
таз.
cannot move me. Still cannot move me. Cannot.
Используй таз.
Because he use here, he don't use here. These two together.
Теперь соедини плечо и таз.
You see? He laughed. You see the power? This together. Otherwise, only this cannot move. Only this cannot move. Together. Yin yang balance move together. Okay. Thank you. Understand? I'm moving more balance. I use here, right? He know I use here. I cannot use here. If I use here, I'm useless. I
Если он
have to
будет
use
только
here.
руки использовать, то я сразу
That's
могу стоять.
why you move.
Поэтому он использует таз и руки, поэтому я падаю.
Understand? Okay. Any
Когда
question?
меня
Okay.
толкает, как
Thank you for watching our video. I hope you enjoy it. Please leave a comment and suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit the red button so that you get notification for our new video coming out. We plan to post at least one video every week.